In this video, we will discuss the topic of vegan meal replacement shakes and whether they can provide all the necessary nutrients that our body needs. Veganism has become increasingly popular, and many people are turning to meal replacement shakes as a convenient and easy way to get their nutrients. But how effective are these shakes? Let's find out. Before we dive into whether vegan meal replacement shakes can provide all the necessary nutrients, let's first understand what these shakes are. Vegan meal replacement shakes are specially formulated drinks that are designed to provide a balanced and complete set of nutrients, including proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These shakes usually consist of plant-based ingredients such as pea protein, brown rice protein, flaxseed, and various fruits and vegetables. Now that we know what vegan meal replacement shakes are, let's take a closer look at their nutritional content. While the specific ingredients and nutrient composition can vary between brands and products, most vegan meal replacement shakes are formulated to provide a comprehensive range of essential nutrients. These include proteins to support muscle growth and repair, carbohydrates for energy, healthy fats for brain function, and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, vitamins and minerals for overall health, and dietary fiber for digestion. One of the primary concerns when it comes to meal replacement shakes is whether they can meet our daily nutritional needs. While vegan meal replacement shakes can provide a wide range of nutrients, it is important to note that they should not be the sole source of nutrition. They should be used as a supplement to a well-rounded and balanced diet. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the specific nutritional requirements and to ensure that the shake you choose is suitable for your individual needs. To conclude, vegan meal replacement shakes can provide a convenient and efficient way to get essential nutrients, especially for those following a vegan lifestyle or who have difficulty meeting their nutritional needs through traditional meals. However, it is crucial to remember that these shakes should not replace a balanced diet and should be used as part of a healthy lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes.